Welcome to channel Maths for Graduates. Today we will discuss that if it is given that any sequence convergent, then what information do we get about the limit inferior and limit superior. So let's start with the fact. A sequence an is said to be convergent if and only if limit superior is equal to limit inferior. That means if sequence an is convergent, then this implies limit superior equals to limit inferior, and this equals to limit of sequence an. Okay, and of course it is finite, and it is also true if limit superior equals to limit inferior, then this implies sequence is convergent. Okay, now let's verify this fact. Consider sequence 1 over n. Okay, we know that this sequence is convergent and it converges to 0. Okay, now let's find limit superior and limit inferior and see whether it is coming out to be 0 or not. Okay, now let's find limit superior. So limit superior an equals to infimum of sequence bn. Okay, now let's find sequence bn. Okay, so b1 is supremum of a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on. Okay, so this equals to supremum a1 is 1, a2 is 1 over 2, a3 is 1 over 3, a4 is 1 over 4 and a5 is 1 over 5. Okay, and supremum is among these term is 1. Okay, now find b2. b2 equals to supremum of a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on. This equals to supremum a2 is 1 over 2, a3 is 1 over 3, a4 is 1 over 4, a5 is 1 over 5 and supremum is 1 over 2. Okay, similarly b3 equals to supremum of a3, a4, a5 and so on. Okay, so b3 comes out to be 1 over 3. Okay, now you can see b1 is 1, b2 is 1 over 2, b3 is 1 over 3, hence sequence bn is nothing but 1 over n. Okay, hence limit superior of an equals to, this equals to infimum of sequence bn. Okay, and this equals to infimum of sequence bn is what? 1 over n. Okay, and we know that for sequence 1 over n infimum is 0. Okay, hence limit superior is 0. Okay, now let's find limit inferior. Okay, so limit inferior an equals to supremum of sequence cn. Okay, now first term of this sequence cn is given by c1 equals to infimum of a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on. Okay, so this equals to infimum of a1 is 1, a2 is 1 over 2, a3 is 1 over 3, a4 is 1 over 4 and a5 is 1 over 5. Okay, and so on. This sequence is monotonic decreasing. Okay, hence infimum will be 0. Okay, Now let's find C2. C2 equals to infimum of A2. A2 is 1 over 2, A3 is 1 over 3, A4 is 1 over 4, and A5 is 1 over 5, and so on. Okay, again this is monotonic decreasing, so infimum will be 0. Similarly C3 is also 0. Okay, now you can see sequence Cn is this equals to 0. Okay, now let's find limit inferior. So limit inferior An equals to supremum of sequence Cn, and this equals to supremum of 0. Okay, so there's only one term in this set, so supremum will be 0. Okay, hence limit inferior An equals to 0. Okay, now you can see limit superior equals to limit inferior, this equals to 0. Okay, and 0 is also limit of the sequence An, limit of sequence 1 over n. Okay, this is what we had to verify. So this video ends here. I hope you really find this video informative. Then show your support by subscribing this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.